In this video, we will learn how to arrange the output, how to sort the output using order by clause. So when we select data, let us say I want to select employee number, e-name, salary, department number, hire date. Let me rearrange some of the columns. So I'm gonna do this and then job and then salary, okay? Salary, comma, hire date. So when we select data, we don't have control in the sequence in which it's gonna display it. We don't have a control in which it's gonna insert it. So you can't control the position where the record goes. Most of the time it will go at the bottom. When you insert a new record, it will go at the bottom of the table. But sometimes you will note that it can go in the middle as well. Now, why that happens, it's a whole long story, but it happens. So you cannot control the sequence of data when you insert it, but you can sort your output based on a desired column. For example, if I want to arrange all the columns, all the records alphabetically using ename, I can simply write order by ename and have a look. All the records are arranged by name. Order by is a clause that you write in your select statement. This will be the last thing that comes in the select statement, and it arranges the output based on a desired column. The default arrangement will be ascending. If you note, it is A to Z, but if you want, you can write the optional keyword descending. Short for descending is just DESC. And now you will note that the name starting with XYZ will come at the top and the name starting with A goes at the bottom. So the default order is ascending, but you can change it to descending. And same can be applied for number values and date values. So I'm going to show you one each. So order by salary. Let us see this. So all the records arrange in the increasing order of salary. Now again, if I use a descending here, it's going to reverse the order. Order by hire date. I'm going to keep the default ascending order. Have a look. All the records arrange in the ascending order of date values. So the oldest date is at the top and the latest date will appear at the bottom. Of course, if I write descending here, it will again reverse the sorting. The latest value will come at the top and the oldest will go at the bottom. This is the fundamental of order by clause. Next, have a look here. Select ename, department number, salary from EMP. Now let us say I want to arrange all the records in the ascending order of department number. So I'm going to write order by department number. Let us see this first. Let us see this first. So I got all my employees, and these are department 10 employees. I'm sorry. These are department 10 employees, followed by department 20 employees, and then department 30 employees. Now, within each department, I want the employee having the highest salary to appear at the top. So what I can do, I can say order by department. If you don't write anything, it is ascending by default. You don't have to write this keyword ASC, but it is default, right? And then I'm going to say order by department number, comma salary, and salary I want descending. Just for your knowledge and just for your convenience, I'm going to write that ascending also. So department number is ascending, salary is descending. Have a look here now. I'm going to run this. Now, if you look at the salary column, on the whole, it looks a bit random, right? But you have to look at it with respect to each department. So look at department 10. Within department 10, the salaries are max to min. Within department 20, the salaries are max to min. And again, within department 30, the salaries are max to min, right? So like this, you can order by multiple columns also. Remember, if you're ordering by on two columns, the second column will be a subset of sort for the first column. And of course, there has to be a relationship between the two columns, or else it's going to do some sorting that doesn't make sense. Okay. So this is one more way of working with order by clause. Earlier, if you remember, we did this earlier. Select e-name, salary, and then I did salary by 12. I called it annual salary from EMP, order by. Now I can use the position of the column in order by like this. So here 3 basically means the third thing in the select statement. It could be a column or an expression. So have a look here. Order by 3 basically means the third column in select statement. Same way, I can also order by using column alias. So I just want to show you that. I'm going to write annual salary and have a look. That is fine too. That is fine too. So column alias or column position can also be used in order by. But please remember, column position and column alias cannot be used in where clause. Okay, so there's a difference. It can be used in order by, but not in where clause. Now I want to show you a combination of where clause and order by clause so that you know the sequence. So I'm going to write select star from EMP where, let me take department number 30, order by salary descending. Okay. So let me run this and have a look. So these are all employees of department number 30 and they have been arranged in the descending order of salary. So if you have to use where clause and order by clause in the same select statement, and you have to in real time also. So remember, after the table name, after the from clause, the first thing that should come will be the where clause. And order by will always be the last thing in the select statement. In the coming 2 or 3 lectures, we will be learning 2 more clauses called as having clause and group by clause, and they will also come between after where and before order. So we're going to learn it later. So there are 2 more clauses that we'll be learning in a while, but for now, where is the first clause and order by is the last clause. This is all about order by clause. I'm going to copy all of this in the class notes, and this will be uploaded on Brightspace. So, yep, I expect that all of you will practice all of this. And your next theory class, I'm going to use to answer any question on this topics. And also, I will give you few questions to practice in class as well as a class exercise. So, see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.